Okay, hi guys. I thought I would just show you a new update that we've been working on for a very long time on the Memorise Medicine to make cards more easily to add yourself. So ideally you'll customize your own learning better. So if you go under my cards, click the add cards button, you'll see there's a few different card types you can add. So they just allow you to have the default headings to make it a bit easier for you. So under the medicines cards, we can add a few things. So here we'll typically add the individual medicines, so like Lipitor, Amoxil, Keflex, for example. Here we'll just add Crestor. If you see on the right there, you'll see there's a live preview. So it'll actually start updating. So on the class, we'll write down statin and the dose, 1 daily, 5 to 40 milligrams. Indications, high cholesterol, boom. Dose indications, we don't need this field, so we can just remove it. Adverse effects, muscle pains, labels, don't need that either, so we can just remove that. Counseling points, let your doctor know if you get muscle pain. We can add our own field, so we can go add now. And then another question there will appear, so you can see it there. So basically here we can go, what is the active ingredient of Crestor? And here I'll go rosuvastatin. Statin. All right. And then here, very important that while you're making your cards that you tag them. So that it just allows you to put it into a module more easily. So here I'll pick tutorial. And I'll hit create there. And then if we say we're making a module for a subject we're studying, we can continuously make more cards. So we'll hit add a new card. So say we've got the default headings for a lot of the type of cards that you will want to make. So on the drug classes, here if we're following the statin example, well, Crestor 1, here we'd write down statins. And then medicines, we could go Crestor, Lipitor, etc. We won't do that. That's kind of boring. We'll go to OTC. So OTC, same type of deals for patient problem. We could write down head lice, OTC treatments, so various shampoos and washes, etc. So there's a lot of stuff that you can already pre-filled here if you want. So disease and infections here, you can write down like malaria if you wanted to, and then we go into all the different signs and symptoms and stuff. The most powerful one, so there's a blank. So this is whatever you want. So here I'm going to write down memorize medicine info. And then the question, so I'll say, is Memorise Medicine free? And then we'll say yes, add a new field. Is Memorise Medicine effective? And here I'll also say yes, add another field. Who created Memorise Medicine? That was me. Fun. So here, once again, we tag it the same tag that we would do before. So we'll pick tutorial on this one. You'll make it easiest to find. We'll hit create. Now we've got another card. Now we obviously want to be able to see the module so we can test ourselves, which is one of the cornerstones of active learning. So here under view modules, so ready-made modules is the modules that is already inbuilt into the Memorise Medicine system. So we're going to go under my modules. So these are the modules that you can create yourself. And then here we'll go add modules. So testing new feature was what we'll call it. So here we pick the tag tutorial. And then it will pop up. So here, there's one for Lipitor. So I made that before, but I don't actually want you guys to see that one. So I can just close that. So say there's a bunch of other tags in there. Then you can just delete them basically. And then they will not appear in your module. The tutorial, the Lipitor, we're going to get rid of that. So only 2 cards will appear. So card count is 2, descriptions, showing new features to audience. Now we can save that. Now we've got our brand new module. Wait for that to load. All right, here we go. So now you can see that's my card here, more my module. It's got 2 user-made cards. So the first number dictates the cards that are system-made, so made by the Memorise Medicine system. The 2 are the 2 user-made cards. So here we're going to cram it because I don't want any space repetition applied to it. And then we'll go begin study. And just like we do when we're trying to do any type of study, where the point is to test yourself. So don't just click reveal answers. So look down the card. So Memorise Medicine info. Is Memorise Medicine free? Yes. So test ourselves. Good. Is Memorise Medicine effective? Say if I said no, I would click it and I'd be like, oh no, I was wrong. It was yes. Who created Memorise Medicine? Bon. So that was me. And then we'll click easy. So we can go to the next card. And then once again, same thing. So test yourself. So you don't have to click on them all individually. Sometimes I would just go, if I was studying, I'd just go, okay, class, statin, dose, 5 to 40 milligrams once a day, indications, high cholesterol, adverse effects, muscle pains, counseling points, let your doctor know if you have muscle pains, what is the active ingredient in Crestor, that is rosuvastatin. So I don't need to click on all of them individually. I can just hit show answer at the end just to assess myself. And there I was like, okay, that was very well done. And then I just click easy. And then that's it. So that's currently how you make the modules with your own cards. I will make a next update being that you can make the cards directly into the modules. So right now you make the modules by tagging them all the same way. And then selecting a tag under make modules. So please have a play with it. Let me know how you find it. And if there's any updates that you would like me to do, just shoot me a message. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.